now what are you doing?
Cutting it out.
Who told you to do that?
You did.
Oh, I'm not through complaining yet.
Oh.
When everything is going wrong and things are just a little strange. It's been so long now you've forgotten how to smile. And overhead the skies are clear, but it still seems to rain on you. And your only friends all have better things to do. When you're down and lost and you need a helping hand. When you're down and lost along the way, oh, just tell yourself I'll be okay. Now things are only getting worse and you need someone to take the blame. When the lover's gone, there's no one to share the pain. You're sleeping with the TV on